everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Harpreet. So, welcome to my channel means what? You are most welcome to this YouTube channel for getting educational videos from classes 1 to 8. Today, the class is for class 5th children. I'm going to introduce a new concept to you in maths. Are you getting crazy? What is the concept? Yes. You can see in the on the board, that's why you can say that yes ma'am, we know that you are going to introduce LCM to us. LCM in maths means lowest common multiple. This is the process of finding, when the question is asked, find the LCM of these numbers. So two numbers will be given to you, 2 or 3 or 4, any number of numbers can be given to you. You have to find the LCM, that means lowest common multiple. So the first thing is, when two numbers are given, you find the multiples of that, okay? Because we start from this right side, then we will go to the left side. First thing is, we will find out the multiples of both the numbers. Then we will find the common out of those multiples. Then we will find out the lowest out of those common multiples. So this is the basic operation and the basic you can say the basic funda for finding the LCM. Now suppose the first question I am explaining you LCM process with the help of some examples. Let us start with this LCM of 6 and 9. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 6 and 9. First thing is, we will write the multiples of 6. As I told you, the last thing, multiples we will do first. Then we will find the common multiples. Then we will find the lowest of the common multiples. So first I will write the multiples of 6. Multiples means जो 6 के टेबल में आते हैं, जो 6 के multiples हैं उसके टेबल में, जैसे 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. ओके, इस तरह से. सो नाउ फॉर 9, ऐसे आप 7 8 9 तक जा सकते हैं और दूसरे वाला जो डिजिट है उसका भी आप लिखेंगे. यू विल राइट द मल्टीपल्स एंड यू विल फाइंड द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. Multiples of 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 and so on. इस तरह से आप 7 8 9 तक लिख सकते हैं. आई हैव स्टॉप्ड हियर, यू नो व्हाई? क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे कॉमन मल्टीपल्स दिखने लग गए. जैसे मुझे दिखने लगा, आई जस्ट केम, मुझे दिखने लगा कि 36 इज हेयर एंड 36 इज हेयर. मुझे एक कॉमन मल्टीपल दिख गया और दूसरा मुझे दिख गया कि 18 इज अ कॉमन मल्टीपल हेयर. देखिए, दोनों में 18 है, दोनों में 36 है. दैट इज व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड ओवर हेयर. आप भी 7 या 8 या 9 तक जा सकते हैं एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट गेटिंग द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स बिकॉज इट इज फॉर क्लास 5 ग्रेड. सो वेरी easily you will get before 10 only. You will go to 8 and 9 table. 7 8s are 9 8s are and I think you will get the common multiple. अब हमें 2 कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मिले, दैट इज एक 18 है और एक 36 है. तो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स तो हुए 2, 18 एंड 36. उसमें से लोएस्ट निकालना है. तो 18 इज स्मॉल और 36. लोएस्ट कौन सा हुआ? 18. सो दिस इज द आंसर. इन दोनों में से 18 मतलब कॉमन तो है, दोनों में 18 और 36 कॉमन है, लोएस्ट लेकिन 18 है. सो दिस विल बी द LCM ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now LCM of 9 and 12. Again I'm going to write the table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and so on. Now multiples of 12, when I'll start, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96 and so on. Now we will see the common multiple. I can see over here is out of 9 and 12, I can see that 36 is the common multiple. And when we go forward, I have seen that there are no common multiples ahead. So I can say the lowest common multiple is 36. So 36 will be the LCM of 9 and 12. Coming to here, 6, 9 and 12. Write down the multiples of 6 first. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 and so on. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72 and so on. Now 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84 and 12 eights is 96 and so on. Now let me see what are the common multiples among all the three. All the three common multiples you can see is 6 is here but no here and here, 12 is here but it is not here and here. So 18 is here but not here, 24 is here but not here, it is here. So 30 is here, not here, not. 36 is the number which is here and here. So this becomes the lowest common multiple because this is the first common multiple which I found among all the three common multiples. I wrote the multiples, out of that the common and the lowest was the 36. So the answer is 36. Okay, next when I come to 9, 12 and 18, let me write the multiples of 9, that is 9, 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 9 9s are 81 and so on. 12. Now the multiples of 12 when I write, 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72 and 12 7s are 84 and 12 8s are 96 and so on. Multiples of 18 when you will write, 18 ones are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, 18 6 is 108 and so on. Okay, we can do the multiples so on. Now let me see which is the common multiple and the lowest multiple among all the three. See, 9 is here but 9 is not here, not here. 18 is here but not here, here. So it is not common in all the three. Let's come to 27. 27 is here but not here, not here. Then we switch over to 36. 36 is here, here and here. So we got it. 36 is the lowest common multiple among all these three given numbers. So this is the way of finding LCM, lowest common multiple. If I give you 4, you will write the multiples of all the 4 numbers and then you will find the common out of the 4 multiples of the numbers and then you will find the lowest common multiple. This is the concept of LCM. In my next video, I'll introduce you the concept of HCF, that is the highest common factor. Okay, so don't miss any video and don't forget to like it, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.